Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we speak about the TypeScript, and I will learn you how to work with the extents in classes and how you can use the file reference when you need to working with the interface in separate files or something like that. So what I have done in this video, I have copied the code from the previous videos. So I'll call one file from classes and the second one should be interface. Inside those two files I will copy the code from the previous two videos, from the create your first class and create your first interface. That's code what we want to use in this video. So let's beginning to copy the first interface inside. I just copied it inside here. That's too much. Up here, stop. And then we're going for the class, and I will copy the code from the class inside here. You can see we have from the previous video. Then it's time to go in for the app.js file and create what we want to do. In our class, before we continue, we can have the reference, and because we have the fuel type down here, it should be which type we have, and we need to say fuel type. Then we can basically say the type should be, if it's benzene, it should be fuel type benzene, else it should be fuel type diesel. Whoops. And we cannot use this because it don't know about the fuel type. So what we can do now, it's basically going up here and say ref in WebStorm. It's can do it this way, and I can say interfaces. If I'm scrolling down now, you can see it's completely allowed to do this. So if I'm saying benzene, then it's the fuel type benzene, else it's a diesel. And then we can going back for the app class here, and again inside here we need to make a reference to the class because we need to use the classes. So let's making two classes. We can call one Opel car. We can just say the Opel, that's fine. Extents, we want to take the extent from the car, and then we want one more class, Skoda extents for the cars. And we can just say car Opel is equal to Opel here, and it's equal to new Opel. And let's say we want let car Skoda is a Skoda car, it's equal to Skoda, and that's it. Now we basically have what we want here. We have a new variable called car Opel is use the Opel extents, and then we have a Skoda used from the Skoda, and both classes extends from the cars. So we have we already have access to everything inside here. So let's say the car Opel model is Opel here. And then we have a car Skoda, and model should be Skoda, and that's working pretty good. But it could be more nice if we just do this and say model here, it's a string, and what we can say to this, it's just saying Skoda and Opel, because we already know the brands, so we don't need this one. And if we print it out now, we can just try it out, console log, and say car Opel brands, sorry, not the model, I'm speaking wrong here. And we do the same with the Skoda. It's just meaning we have this one. And that's how you basically work with extends classes in TypeScript, and how you can work with the interfaces where you use the reference in the top here and define the path, so you can work around with that. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. It's pretty quick and it's pretty simple, but I hope it's useful for you. I hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can do it in the below. In the right corner is a thing, you can press on that, and then you can share it with your friends if you want, and you can hit this like button in this video, so if you like it. Please make a comment if you have something on the heart, and I'll try to answer you as fast as I can. And the code here will be available on GitHub in my profile. Just stay in the description so you can find the code very quickly. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.